Hey guys, this is Jennifer and Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And today we're going to talk about the 10mm TRP from Springfield Armory. Now they have a 5 and a 6-inch version of this, and this is everything you're going to need to know about both those versions in 90 seconds. With the 5-inch version coming in at around 40 ounces and the 6-inch version coming around about 45 ounces, it's definitely a large chunk of steel.
One thing that they did do for it is they put VZ Alien Dirty Olive grips on it.
With an overall length of 8.6 inches in the 5-inch model and 9.6 inches in the 6-inch model, I really enjoy the match grade barrel, and I think that's going to come into effect with accuracy down the line.
And you know, the heavier weight of the slide and barrel together, along with the optimized recoil spring, really make this a soft shooting pistol.
Something I noticed on this model, which is the 6-inch TRP 10mm, is that it has adjustable sights on the rear, but also it has night sights, which a lot of the target pistols do not come with. Usually it's a blackout target rear.
And the 5-inch model does come with tritium sights on the back, but the rear sight is not adjustable on that one.
And a lot of people have been talking about this finish. What can you tell me about that?
That is the black tea finish. It is on the frame and the slide. And it is a self-lubricating, highly corrosion-resistant finish.
It has the Springfield Armory Gen 2 speed trigger, which I've noticed it's nice and crisp, not a lot of take-up, really easy to function and shoot.
Yeah, and that trigger is only 4.5, 5 pounds, right in that range.
You get 2 8-round magazines standard with this model, and you also get a nice carry case. With most TRPs, it always comes with a rail, and this is no exception. It has a nice 5-slot rail on this 6-inch version that really come in handy if you want to put some sort of light or attachment onto your firearm. All right, Jen, that's what you need to know about the TRP 10mm and 5 or 6-inch in 90 seconds.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to give us a thumbs up if you liked our video. And if you have a gun that you'd like to see a 90-second review on in the future, make sure you leave a comment below.
Thanks, guys.